Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make some vanilla. I noticed I was out of vanilla, or I'm almost out. I've got enough if I need to make another recipe, but I don't use it very often anymore. I used to own my own cake business and I used to use vanilla all the time. So I haven't used it in quite a while. But anyway, that's beside the point. I'm going to make some vanilla. And I needed to get a bottle of liquor. I used bourbon. I like the flavor that it gives my vanilla, but you could also use vodka or spiced rum, maybe even, or a regular rum. I'm not sure. You could just try all kinds of things. You could use moonshine if you wanted. But I'm going to use this Benchmark bourbon because this is what my husband bought and brought home. And I'm going to take the lid off. I think I might have, no, I don't have to pop anything. All right, so there we go. This is a, what is this considered? What do they call this? 750 milliliter bottle. That's the size I got. And then I picked up some vanilla beans. Now, I got these on Amazon. Let me cut them open. And these are grade B. There's grade A and grade B. If you're going to be doing cooking with vanilla, you're wanting to add like real vanilla to something you're making, get grade A. If you're going to just make your vanilla extract, get grade B. I'm going to use all of these. There are 15 here, and they're all, oh, they smell so good. They're already starting to split a little, but just to make sure, I'm going to take my knife and I am going to make a slit in them. Just make a slit. Doesn't have to be perfect. Drop it in the bottle. Did you see that? See if I can bring the bottle a little closer. This one's already split a little. Some of them are already split a little, and that's great. You don't even have to split them. I do like to make a split in them if possible. This one's hard to split, so I'm just gonna drop it down in there. And then what I will do is, after I've done splitting all these vanilla pods, there we go. After I get them all split, I'm going to put this in a in my pantry. We'll shake it up, put it in my pantry. Every day when I go in my pantry, I'll shake it up a little. And you will have vanilla probably in about, say about 2 months. It's not going to be ready before then, but it's going to be good. And like I said, I might try different liquors sometime. I might try a flavored rum or something. You could get all kinds of, get the vanilla beans on my fingers. It smells so good. You can do all kinds of things, but if you want just the true vanilla taste, then you could go with vodka. I would suggest vodka. Come on, guys. To the bottle. They're hooking on the end there. And like I said, don't bother buying the most expensive vanilla beans. Vanilla beans are expensive. Get grade B if you're making just your extract. I don't normally cook with vanilla. I'd rather use the extract. And so I just get the grade B. They're not the prettiest, but they do the job. All right, now I'm gonna put the lid back on. There we go. We'll shake it up a little bit. You can see the vanilla beans down in there. I hope you can see. Yeah, there's good. There you go. And that's it. That's how you make vanilla to cook with. Just that simple. So guys, I hope y'all try this. And if you do make vanilla, what alcohol do you use? I'd be interested to know. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.